Welcome to Employment and Education News. This is your channel, so please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. Trade Apprentice Technician Apprentice Post Vacancy in Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Eligibility 12th ITI BA BSc BCom Diploma in Engineering. Age limit maximum 24 years as on 31 October 2023. Last date for application 20 November 2023. Deputy Manager, Assistant Manager, Senior Assistant Post Vacancy in National Scheduled Caste Finance and Development Corporation. Eligibility Degree in Commerce, Economics, Statistics, Arts, Science and Knowledge of Computer. PG degree in Commerce, Economics, Statistics, CA, ICWA, MBA, PG degree in Arts, Science, Commerce, Agricultural Science. Age limit maximum 27 years for Senior Assistant, 30 years for Assistant Manager, 32 years for Deputy Manager. Last date for application 19 November 2023. Supervisor Technical Operation Printing, Supervisor Official Language, Artist Graphic Design, Secretarial Assistant, Junior Technician Post Vacancy in Currency Note Press Nasik. Eligibility Diploma in Engineering Printing, BE or BTech or BSc Engineering in Printing, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Bachelor of Visual Arts, Bachelor of Vocational Graphics, Graduation, ITI, Master Degree in Hindi or English with English or Hindi as a subject at graduation level. Age limit between 18 to 25 years for Junior Technician, 18 to 28 years for Artist Graphic Design, Secretarial Assistant, 18 to 30 years for Supervisor Technical Operation Printing, Supervisor Official Language. Last date for application 18 November 2023. MSME Toolroom Hyderabad Admission Course for Postgraduate Diploma in Tool Design and CAD/CAM. Eligibility BE or BTech in Mechanical Engineering, BE or BTech in Production Engineering. Age limit maximum 45 years. Duration of course 18 months. Application fees Rs 350 for SC, ST and Rs 700 for others. Last date for application 31 October 2023. Security Assistant Motor Transport Multitasking Staff Post Vacancy in Intelligence Bureau. Eligibility 10th with LMV driving license for Security Assistant and Motor Transport. Age limit maximum 27 years for Security Assistant Motor Transport, 25 years for Multitasking Staff. Last date for application 13 November 2023. Salary as per pay level 1 for Multitasking Staff and pay level 3 for Security Assistant and Motor Transport. 12 Junior Assistant Post Vacancy in Sardar Vallabhbhai National Institute of Technology. Eligibility 12th and proficiency in computer typing. Age limit maximum 27 years. Last date for application 6 November 2023 and hard copy of application should reach the office on or before 16 November 2023. Application fees Rs 500 and no fee for SC, ST, PWD, ex-servicemen and women candidates. Salary as per pay level 3. Thanks for watching till the end.